welcome back. I'm Stacy, and our plant of the week is a hibiscus. And here to help me is Trevor. Trevor, can you bring the plant of the week in, please?
Here you go, Stacy.
Oh, Trevor, this is gorgeous, but this is tropical hibiscus. This is not the one. This is not the plant of the week.
Oh,
You need to, yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Can you bring the right hibiscus in, please, so we can tell our viewers?
Now, for sure, I got the right plant.
No. Trevor, that is perennial hibiscus. I know you're a perennial man, and this is one of your favorites. Also gorgeous, but still not the plant of the week.
Okay, well, just to let our visitors know, you can find this in the perennial department.
Yes. Trevor, you know what? Thanks for your help, but I'm really just going to take care of it.
Okay,
From this point
Stacy.
forward. Our plant of the week is a hibiscus, guys, and it happens to be Lil Kim Violet Rose of Sharon, and this is beautiful. I love this for our plant of the week, especially because I love the habit of Lil Kim Violet. It stays nice and upright. It stays really compact. It gets about 3 to 4 feet wide, 3 to 4 feet tall. It loves full sun, and for such a small shrub, it gets a really showy splash of color. It's got this beautiful violet petal with a red center that I think is stunning. Blooms in the summer all the way into the fall, and it's a very low maintenance plant. It is also very salt tolerant and deer resistant. There's very little you have to do for this hibiscus, this shrub, Rose of Sharon, Lil Kim, plant of the week. Thanks a bunch. See you next time.